struggle in your business. So ibalulekile kakhulu to learn the recruiting process so that you can focus on practicing the recruiting process until you produce results, because you want to build a network of people who are using your products, who are also sharing the products, building a customer base, and bringing in other business partners. They are building a team. So you want people who are using the product, retailing the products, and building a team. The more people in your team who are using the product, retailing the products, and building a team you have in your organization, the more successful you will become. Because you generate ama-case credit amaningi ngoba niyayidla i-product, niyayidayisa i-product, niya-recruiter. So you need to master the recruiting process in order to grow your organization. If you focus on recruiting on daily basis, somehow you'll also have customers, because there are people who see the business opportunity, but they're not ready to join now. Some, they'll want to try your product first before they join. So even if you just focus on the recruiting side, you're still going to build the customer base. You just need to develop a system of converting those that are not ready to be business owners now, to join your team, to become customers. Those that doubt your products, get them to test the products first. So they will start as customers by consuming the products, and they will transition. After enjoying the goodness of the product, when they see the wonderful results, then they build confidence with Lama product as a. So when they believe, they see the results, and now they are convinced that these products do deliver the results, then they build the confidence to say, now, because I know that this product work, I can sell these products. I can help others with these products, because the issues that I have, the issues that they have, they know other people with similar issues, because they meet at the clinics, they meet at the doctor's offices, they meet at hospitals. So normally people who struggle with some health issues, they know other people with similar health issues, because when they go to this camp, that's where they meet to buy their medication. When they go to the doctor, that's where they meet. They sit there at the waiting room. They end up developing relationships. They know every month we meet at the doctor's office. Our dates are the same. Or we meet at the clinic, our dates are the same. Or we meet at the hospital, our dates are the same. So when someone uses a product and they see improvements, even those people, even without them saying anything, they will want to know, they will see the difference. Sometimes they hear the comments from the medical practitioners to say, well, now, you are taking your treatment because your numbers are telling, are showing that now you are improving. That means you're taking your medication correctly. Someone who's taking the medication correctly would want to know, I'm taking this medication correctly, but the doctor is always complaining to say I'm not taking the treatment correctly. What is it that you are doing differently? And then obviously someone will say, no, now I'm drinking the so-called aloe vera juice that I was introduced to. That is why you see the improvements. And definitely someone who hears something like that will want to try the aloe vera juice that has helped their colleague or their friend. So that way, it convinces this person to say, I can build a customer base. Because maybe at first, they will buy on this person's behalf. They come to you, buy 2 bottles instead of 1, and now they're buying for a friend. Money will pass through their hands to you. And you also remind them that, remember, that person is your customer. But for now, they're buying from me because you are not yet a member. If you join the business, this 560 Rand that you are passing to me, it was supposed to go into your pocket. That's a powerful selling point to convince someone to see the need for them to become an FBO and join your team. So master the recruiting process, collecting names. Yesterday, we trained about the 7 skills, network marketing skills that help one to become successful in network marketing. I don't know if anyone still remember the skills we spoke about yesterday. Crucial. You need to develop a skill of finding people, know how to get your people. Develop a system to help you collect names and numbers. First steps to manager manual we saw, I think it was page 14 of the first step to manager manual. I don't have one next to me here. I think it's page 14, where it gives you a memory jogger to remind you the names. Think about your former colleagues, think about your relatives, think about your grandmother, your uncle, your aunt, your cousin, your sister, everybody. It's trying to jog your memory to remind you the names of people that you need to add on your name list. And then develop a system, izolo trained, how to approach people in public transports or in events, or at the malls, the people that you meet as you go about your life. So how do you approach them so that you can end up with their name and number? So you need to develop a skill of finding prospects, and then develop inviting skills, and develop a presentation skill. You need also follow-up skill, closing skill, and getting people started. This one is big. Number 6 is big, because I meet a lot of people who say I joined forever, but they don't know what to do. They joined under a leader, but that leader is not providing them with how to get started training, what we call onboarding forever. So these are onboarding training. They don't know their left from their right. We meet a lot of them now. So you need to develop a skill on how to get someone started in this business, whether umuntu closer to you or they're far away from you. You are going to do the training online. And then number 7, Bagwetu, it's even written in red. You need a skill to develop a skill for promoting events. Leaders is only people who attend events that grow in network marketing, who always keep high energy levels, who are always inspired, who their dreams keep growing and growing because they see people achieving this and that, and their horizons start to open, and they start seeing life with a different view. And they might have come into this business with smaller dreams, but when their aim maybe was just to make extra 50,000, when you come into the business and you see people are making 6-figure income, 100K, you see people are earning $250,000, 250K. You see people earning $500,000, 500K. You see people earning $1 million. When you see people that people can earn R1 million per month, then your dream start to grow as well. Your vision na iyakula, and you start to aspire for bigger and better things, and start setting bigger goals. You start aiming higher. That's the only way to grow. It's only events that help people build conviction. Because you are around convicted people who knows that this thing works, who has proven that this thing works. They've joined forever, they've built forever, they are successful in forever. They have things that they can show that they've achieved in the business. And you are in the same room with them, and you see exactly what they've achieved. Events are powerful diamonds. Anyone who join our business and don't attend, they are only shooting themselves on the foot. NgesiZulu sithi uzigwaze uzigwaza ngowakho umkhonto, because you are setting yourself up for failure. I always say to people, even if business could kind of slow, but more consistent, if you're consistent attending, I'm telling you, you will grow. You will develop the necessary skills. You will end up learning all the 7 network marketing skills: finding prospects, inviting, presenting, follow up, closing, getting people started, and promoting events. You must see that leaders, wherever they are, they're always promoting the next event. I told you yesterday, as we are here, the whole week I was making noise. Actually, it's almost a month. I was making noise about training. And then the week, this week or I don't know, it was day and night I was making noise. You will see, it will change this week. It will be about Davidton Mall meeting, Davidton Mall meeting the whole week, promoting events. Because I know if I win to get people to attend and they invite guests, even those that cannot present, they will recruit and build teams because they bring their guests to those powerful meetings that we have. And then they get to build a customer base. For those that are not ready to join now, they'll become customers, start using the products. Those that are ready to get started, they'll join their business. So someone who attend events will actually grow one way or the other and will become successful. If they start slow, they'll keep accumulating those skills. They'll end up becoming masters in this business and become super successful. So develop all the 7 network marketing skills and master the recruiting process. Work from the list. Learn how to sit down with someone, do a one-on-one presentation. Yesterday morning, I did share in the group. I know we share it many times, the one-on-one book, the one-on-one slides that we use on our as presentation slides. I shared it as PowerPoint so that you can put it on your laptop. Those that have laptops, you can put it on a tablet. Those that are using tablets, you can even put it on a phone. Some people are using these big phones like S24, S25, that is Samsung. They have big screens. You can actually do a presentation on your phone because they're big screens. iPhone 16, iPhone 15 Pro Max, they're huge screen. You can do a proper presentation on that screen. Master doing the one-on-ones. So your one-on-one can be face-to-face, your one-on-one can be on WhatsApp, where one-on-one can be on Zoom or meetings. So it can be online or offline, face-to-face. And then the big one, house presentations. Amatemo, leaders, if you want to be successful in network marketing, learn to use your living room as a meeting area for your neighbors, your friends, your colleagues, your relatives, people that are used to visiting you at your place. Now invite them to come see your business. People need this business. They are not doing you a favor when you invite them and they come. I'm telling you, Diamond, I speak from personal experience. I did myself a favor by joining Forever. I didn't do my sponsor. He's not even in the business anymore. I'm the one benefiting from the business that he showed us. But it took him to meet us at Johannesburg, CBD, exchange numbers, and he made a call to set up an appointment, drove all the way from Soweto to Brakpan, showed us the business. We didn't see it, but we promised we think about it. He gave our numbers to his sponsors to follow up on us, and they invited us to an event. And we attended that event as a favor, to return a favor, because this old man, respected us so much. You go to drive from Soweto as a Brakpan. When I see that, I said, let's return a favor, let's go and attend this event of theirs, but we're not going to join. We are just returning a favor because this was another level of respect. Someone driving all the way from Soweto to our place to show us this. Let's just return a favor, go and attend. When we went there, our mind was blown. which was a wow. This business alone is this powerful. That's why the decision to join was made, and we joined. And a few months down the line, we were managers. He didn't make it to manager. He became unrecognized. Few years down the line, we started benefiting big time that I even quit my job and went full time into my forever business. So who benefited between my sponsor and me? I'm still in this business many years down the line. He's long left the business. So when we invite the people, don't think they are doing you a favor when they come, or you lost something when they don't come. Someone who come is their lucky day. So someone who doesn't come after they promise that they're coming is their loss. If you have that kind of attitude, you are not going to be hurt by the fact that my best friend didn't come. You'll feel pity for them that they are losing out at the best opportunity in the world. I really believe in that, Diamonds. There's no business opportunity like forever, where you can improve your health, improve your finances, build a community, enjoy global travel, enjoy driving your dream cars, enjoy living in your dream homes, sending your kids in the best schools. Ngebhizinisi eliyi-one uthola yonke le nto, uyaphila emzimbeni ngokudla iproduct, uba muhle futhi. Ngapha uyenza imali, ngapha ungashayela imoto ephupho lakho, ngapha ungatravel umhlaba uphile kumndlu wephupho lakho, uthumele abantwana kuy'kolo ze-choice yakho, ube part ye-community yabantu aba-positive. Bakwethu, do you know how it's so special to belong to a community yabantu aba-positive, the way umhlaba uso negative ngakhona today. This day and age, kunama-cancer ayenziwa yi-stress, because people are so surrounded by high levels of negativity. Everywhere. It can be on social media, it can be on mainstream media, it can be on the community, the people around you. People are gossiping, are scattering, are complaining. You hardly hear people talk about life positively. They're working on their dreams to achieve things. People is all about entertainment, because they're trying to drown their sorrows. And the system now, if you not just you to become a consumer. So you are bombarded with a lot of adverts that make you a consumer, and bombarded with a lot of entertainment that will forget about your dreams. At the end of the day, you are an old man, you are an old woman who has not achieved anything in life. You look back at your best years of your life and you regret. An opportunity like you forever business, it doesn't care how old the person is. As long as they can still garner some energy to talk to people, they can build this business and succeed. And at least live the life of their dreams, even if it can be for a shorter period, but they will live the life of their dreams. So become successful leaders. Focus on developing a skill, your recruiter. Because more recruiter network marketing, you can never go wrong. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter ukuthi ibhizinisi lakho lihambe slow kangakanani, or uthole abantu who are not teachable mawuqala. As long as you are recruiting, I always recommend 2 or more every month. 2 or more. The big hitters bring 5 and more every month. But if you are recruiting, we are signing at least 2 people every month or more. I'm telling you, you'll be successful at some point. At some point, you'll guide the right people. Don't worry by the fact that kwamanje mhlambe usebhizinisini una 2-3 yabantu or una 10 yabantu, and some of those people mhlambe they are not cooperating. So don't worry about that. Don't stress. I meet a lot of discouraged downlines. People who are so discouraged because their teams, the people in their team, they're not doing the right things. I always remind them, don't worry. Keep recruiting. I know it's discouraging, but don't focus there. Whatever you focus on grows. If you focus on the people that are not working, I'm telling you, their number will grow. But if you focus on saying, I'm going out to prospect and bring in new blood, and I'm looking for ambitious people with big dreams, with burning desire to live the life of their dreams, you will get them. Anything that you focus on, that's where your energy will go. Anything that you give your energy grows. If your focus is on recruiting and developing people, you will get the people at some point and the right people. And if you keep high energy level is contagious. The same as negativity is contagious, high energy level is contagious as well. People who keep low energy level, they attract low energy people. People who keep high energy level, they attract high energy people. So how to keep your energy high? Stay in meetings, attend all business events, have inspiring affirmations that you say over and over. Have this inspiring music that you listen to, inspiring books that you listen to, inspiring audio teachings that you can listen to in your car, audio books that you can listen to in your car. These days, don't have to worry about even reading. You can have someone reading for you while you are driving and you are listening to audio book. That's how easy things are these days. Self-development is a cornerstone for success in network marketing. So if you're not developing yourself, I'm telling you, you'll sit and complain. As you sit and complain, the more you attract more negative energy. So do house presentations. Don't worry about those that promise don't come. It's their loss. Those that come, is their win. They're not doing you a favor, because if they join this business and do it right, some of them can even achieve bigger things than you. Because forever is not a push-push. You are rewarded for your effort. Someone who come in and become teachable and do what they're taught and grow in this business, in the knowledge, and develop the skills of the business and start producing results, at some point they become successful. And those that are consistent, they become super successful. So work from growing your name list every day. Get specific people to say, I'm going to start with this if you are starting for the very first time. Target people who are ambitious, people with big dreams, people who always want more out of life. People love global travel. Focus qala ngabo laba abathanda izinto. Iforever yabantu abathanda izinto. People who love things, people who are ambitious, people who are not content with where they are. They want more out of life. Forever has more to offer. So you have the best proposition to give to them. And then do presentation. Kalangama one-on-one. It can be online, it can be one WhatsApp, it can be face-to-face. Someone sitting across the table from you, and you have your one-on-one book, or you have your laptop, you have your tablet, showing them the business plan. And then do house presentation. House presentations. Yesterday I spoke about this. I said a long time on this. It develop awareness, the organizer, the host, because you develop the skill. So invite her if you are hosting. You'll grow in terms of developing a skill. So invite her. You become better and better when you start inviting people. When you become better, so you are organizing the whole thing. Your organizational skills will grow. You learn how to organize, to set up a room, projectors, or using a TV screen, laptops, connecting, and all those things. You learn how to organize. It develop that organizational skills. And then it will develop the skills for presenting, because when you start, maybe your sponsor, your upline, come and stand in front of your people and explain the business to your guests. But with time, you are going to start to stand up as well and do one part. Maybe you are doing the company history. Now you are starting to develop as a presenter. Because now, we are a presenter now. ukhona kwenza company history. From company history now uyakhona ukuthi uyenze i-product, Kazi product. From Kazi product now, so you can explain the marketing plan. Now you know how to do the entire presentation, even to give a motivation after the presentation. You have developed as a presenter. About this presenter ngabo in these big hotel meetings, SYNZAYO and hall meetings, are people who started from their living rooms. They were developed at their living rooms. And we saw that they have now developed that they can come and present to a lot of people, Masisema or Hotela or Emahulwe. So you will develop as a networker from your house meetings. Don't take those house meetings for granted. Do as many launches as possible. They develop you as a networker. You learn how to invite, you learn how to organize, you learn how to present, you learn how to motivate, you learn how to train. And your team will learn from you, leading them by example. They see you doing these meetings, they will start hosting their own meetings because they saw you doing them first. Kezogan, please give me a high five if so far Nehamba Nami. In the chat side, please give me a high five. Let's see. When you are on Zoom, you don't know whether people are still with you or not. They just keep talking. So at least a number 5 will tell me, thank you, Diamond Sengichule, Diamond Tembeka. Thank you so much for those 5. I can see you are still with me. So thank you, Sophie. Thank you. Kialebora, Weshu, Kalaki Sophie Mujela, or Sophie Hapula, or we have many Sophies in the team. Busisi Banyoni, thank you, Diamond. Thank you so much. Awesome. Okay, Mujela. Kialebora, Weshu. Thank you. Okay. Whole presentations are Diamonds. You are missing out if you are not attending whole presentation or hotel presentation. For example, yesterday I spoke about our product center business presentation. That meeting is recruiter like nobody. It's our recruiting machine, automated recruiting machine. People come. I think. Let me see. Besino sister Ngazu Sasekona na sister Zuma. She was there. She came to a meeting or Sasekon. Sister Mangangizwa, Sisi Ukona unmute. I can unmute and share your story. Last month she came to presentation about a week ago, grade 22, 26 or so. Masigu Lon product center business presentation. Because of one business presentation, as I'm telling you, mom invited to join her after 2 months. But she came to the presentation. But the fire in the room, she made a decision on the spot with Nyachoina, Nifuni Kombuyami, Manj. And the presentation, guess where it is? It's right at the product center. They didn't even have an application form because she already said, I'm joining in 2 months' time. Let's go. I'm just going to see this business. But the fire that was there made her to decide to say, I'm buying my combo now. They had to look for an application form. She filled the application form, downloaded. They needed attachments, copy of ID, proof of bank account. She left the product center. We started Jenny Combo as an assistant supervisor. But when she was coming, she said, I will be able to join after 2 months. That's how powerful those whole meetings are. Where like-minded are meeting in one room. The energy in the room is electrifying. The stories, the presentation itself, the stories for leaders that they share their experience in this business and their achievements. I'm telling you, people take action on the spot and join the business. So if you don't attend, you are missing out a big time. Because even if when your guests have disappointed you, but you still showed up, you leave that room on fire. You learned, number one, Each time you attend any event, you will learn. Given, I'm telling you, I've been in this business for many, many years, but I still learn. In every meeting, I can tell you what I've learned. Yesterday, we were at the training. I learned something. I was one of the trainers, but I'm telling you, I left that room with something for me that I've learned that will help me become a better business owner and do my business much better than I was before yesterday's meeting. After this meeting, I'm telling you, I've learned something. As I'm speaking to you, I'm also learning. That's the power of attending events. Yesterday, we were 30-something at the training. Okay. Yeah, we're 30-something, almost close to 40 or so. But look, tonight, those that are attending live right now, they are 12. So if we're less than 40 in a live meeting, and then on Zoom meeting, where now someone must join from the comfort of their own home, is Sunday evening. And still, I know some of them are on TikTok, but I know that, but those that connected live right now, they're 12. There are people who were not there yesterday live in the room. They are still not here on a Zoom where they can join from their bedroom, from their own bed, under cover, under their sheet, watching from their phone. They are still not here. You can see that's why only 2% become super successful of those who join and take combos. Because it's not joining that gives success, it's what you do after joining. So people think they'll join forever and become successful. It doesn't work like that. Yes, forever have all of these wonderful things, but it's only those that join this business with the intention of saying, I'll do what it takes. I'm committing to learning, I'm committing to taking action, I'm committing to achieving my result with effort, commitment, and taking daily action. People who does that, they become successful. Sister, if you can, but if you can't, don't worry. If you can unmute and share. Your story inspires me about attending.
Thank you, leadership. And
awesome.
Greetings to Diamonds.
Awesome. Okay. Don't worry, continue.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. Yes, I was on that day, Umang attended a presentation. I was invited ukuyolalela ukuyobona ne product, but the energy and the inspiration engayithola lapha yangenza ngajoyina on the spot, and lento leyo nami yangifundisa ukuthi abantu engiba-recruit-ayo noma bangakajoyini, but I must take them to this event so that uma ngabe babona abanye abantu the successes, they will change their minds immediately. So ama-life activities, they are very important. So sifunda kakhulu and we get inspired a lot. So I'm recruiting. I have 2 people which I'm persuading right now. They promise that they will join. Someone promised to join at the end of June. Omunye wathi on July. So ngiyaqhubeka ngiyarecruita ngiyasebenza. Unfortunately angikhonanga uku-attenda last week, bengishonelwe bengingcwaba usisi wami on Saturday. So but lawa alandelayo ngizowa-attenda and I will make sure ukuthi ngiza nabo labantu engiba-recruit-ayo so that bazobona the miracle, bazoba inspired njengami, and I hope they will change their mind njengami, bajoyine on the spot. Ngiyabonga, leadership.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing, and sorry about your sister. Umampo did put in an apology yesterday, wasitshela ukuthi awuphumelelanga ngoba univelelwe ingozi ekhaya. Sorry about that. Thank you so much for sharing your story as well, because it's so inspiring for FBOs abase-business who are struggling to recruit, for FBOs who are not attending events, so that they can learn and know the value of attend and its impact ebhizinisini lakho. So then ungalovi ama-success day bakethu. We have another one May 19. Ngay-19 is Success Day. That one is fire. Maungena lapha, and this one is for SADC. Kuzoba kunabantu from America. Our president will be here, Aiden O'Hare, ahamba no Gerin Brainhold, and then Eugene Batista Amicia, uzobe lana from Ivory Coast, umphathi we-Africa yonkana. U-country sales manager wethu, uMamadia Onumdumela will be here there as well, May 19. So wonke umuntu ongena kwa-supervisor, you are going to be recognized by the president. All ONZ 5cc for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, you will be recognized by the president. Wonke umuntu move level or achieve any incentive who's going on stage to be recognized, you are going to get the privilege. Ethola abantu abaye ku-global rally from Sapphire manager kuya phezulu. They don't recognize these other levels. They only recognize from Sapphire upward. So you are going to get that privilege. Ethola ama Sapphire manager. Good global rally. Nama chairman's bonus qualifiers. You are going to be recognized by the president, Aiden O'Hare, ne team yakhe. Nge-19 July. Ama-ticket isaqalile ayathengiswa. And then now attend such events, you become super successful. So, uMontan Mbeka ukhonile ukujoyina inetwork yakhe yamhlupha. Diamond mangakhona ku-unmute usharele i-experience yakho yayizolo. Sizame ukukubiza and we find that they say kick her out. I'm
in corner leadership.
Awesome.
Can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Yo, hi. Forever. Ongakayiboni.
Uyozayibone.
Ongakabi nemiliyoni.
Uyozabe nayo.
Ha, ngiyabonga. Hey, mina, I'm so inspired. I breathe forever. I sleep forever. Into engayithi caphu kuma leaders akhona egroupini akhona nalana nabe bekhona izolo nabakhona laba abakhona la. I can see we are 12 right now. It's okay.
Bakhona abanye bakulona
Ku TikTok, yes. I would love to share my wonke umuntu uzabuza ukuthi you became a manager in a month. How? Kanjani? Hayi wenza kwacima ngithi no. It's all about
kancane. Sorry leadership, sesakuluza kancane.
It's okay. I-network yang iyabheda la leadership. It's all about the passion. Yazi into uma uyithanda, faka uthando entweni oyenzayo. Then everything will flow. Zimisele, fundiseka. That's the only word I can say. Fundiseka. Lalela isponsor sakho, masithi yenza kanje, uwenze kanje. Ngena la, ungene la. Ama presentations are very important. Do presentations endlini, one-on-ones. Nakusasa ubaba wenza i-presentation ubize abobaba. Kule into engiyithandile ne sifuna uku-introduce more males into this business. It's so much dominated by women, but we wanna highlight nakubo baba ukuthi lento is doable nakubo baba. So there are a lot of males who are coming tomorrow. I can't wait for tomorrow. Yes, presentations, one-on-ones, talk to people every time on your TikTok, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook. Post about your business every minute, every hour. Don't be ashamed about your business. That's my strategy. I'm so passionate. I'm so in love with forever. Guys, ngilali forever, ngivuki forever. Ngilala ne energy drink yakwa forever, ifep. Ila qandu kwami. Ubaba naye unesigubhu sakhe ngapha. Sisebhedeni unesigubhu sakhe naye eat the products. Idla ama products. Sifuna ukuphila, sifuna ukuba nemali futhi emapokotweni. Fundisekani. Nizoba manager. And now i-Success Day iyeza. Ngicela ukuthi ninenze ukuthi nifike ku-Success Day nibe nithola nani izinto nibe nifikile kubo supervisor abangakabe supervisor abangakabe ama manager bazame ukuthi bagijimisele imanager asigijimeni let's run. This is a race. Let's run for our futures. You must know what is a why. There's a reason. Yazi into engithanda nge-forever. Kumele kube ne-why. Why I'm doing forever. I want to go places. I want to go yabona khona abantu abathanda ukutravelisha ufuna ukuba nama-properties ufuna ukuba nama-businesses. You must have a why in your forever. Angazi or ngibeke kahle leadership ngicela ukuthi ngicela sihambeni i5 years from now if awusebenzanga.
Wow, we lost you again, leadership.
Siyakupa manje senze i-foundation manje siyakupa itina sozithenga after 2 years siyakupa manje senze i-foundation.
Leadership uyawakhatheka about 5 years from now yathula.
5 years from now kumele sibe sisifake i-roof on top. We are building a foundation right now.
Wow.
If awuzange wayenza i-foundation namhlanje angazi after 5 years thina sobe sesifulele.
And leadership ukungena emlonyeni ku-managers meeting the country sales manager said with what is happening in the business right now anyone ongayenzanga imali from now up to the next 5 years uzoba kuthi impela imali hayi yena nemali abazwana.
Yes, 7 figure 5 years. That's asenzeli manje senzela prior kule 5 years.
Wow.
So we are building a foundation right now. Guys, let's recruit. Let's do more presentations. Magunama online meetings. Let's attend. Let's attend everything. I mean, I want to attend every single presentation. Always the presentation. Sicela ama-presentations, ama-online, maneza yonke into nje sicela uku-attenda, sicela ukuza thina sizoza ne-team yami. And also build your team. Ungabayekeleli. Ungabi manager uyi-one. Build more managers, build more supervisors and still recruit. Angazi ukuthi ngikhulume ngithini. Forever phambili, forever yona.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Abebengekho izolo baphuthele izolo bewuphethe ama-slide break it down how you made the manager in 1 month. Those that were there in the room yesterday, they really got the picture of how the whole thing was built. So unfortunately, Shema Baning bebanga. Thank you so much, leadership. Thank you. Sorry, but I believe Izolo Shem, she really break down. She had even our slides. She shared a lot yesterday about her journey and how you could see how it happened. So nalo we were confused. How do you become a manager in 1 month? Yesterday in the room, they got to see, wow, it now makes sense how she got there. Because she broke it down piece by piece. This is how I went about it. This happened when I did this happened. And then she had 6 supervisors that she built that resulted in her becoming that manager. And by recruiting the downline work, they didn't just join. But because we recruited more, and then recruiter now. So it team exploded. Thank you so much, Diamond Siabonga Kulu leadership. Thank you so much. If you can still hear us, but I see it kicked you out. So Diamond, Injalo, master the recruiting process, then you'll see. From the name list, you are doing the one-on-ones, you are doing Zoom meetings, WhatsApp meetings, you are doing house presentations, you are attending all meetings, and you are inviting Masia hotel Tizeni, say product center, say Davidton Mall, say Gupi, Lagunama meeting, Devon, Limpopo, PE, izolo bekune Western Cape, bengichecka i-team yami ese-Cape Town, ngibonile abanye babo aba-attendanga, ngikhonile kubathola, but abanye ke angakabatholi ukuzwa ukuthi bahambe njani izolo ku-meeting yase-Cape Town. So where there's a meeting, attend, invite, take guests, you will see. You will get even results njengomama usister Zuma bekasasitshela ukuthi yena bekazobona i-presentation but ayenza i-decision yokuthi uzojoyina 2 months later mazinto zakhe sezihlangene but wafika emlilweni wase-presentation waphuma nekhombo. So asibambeni kanjalo Diamond, indaba iseku-recruiting, and then also recruiting, focus on developing. Don't just recruit, develop people. Bakhona abajoyinisayo who have big teams but don't develop anyone. That's my concern. All my supervisors, mangikhuluma nani ngithi nginikezeni supervisor, and I even give you a strategy ukuthi udevelop kanjani i-supervisor. Leso strategy sisiqale ngawe. So now we had the same strategy. So apply the same strategy. Ukuthi udevelop ama-downline wakho to become supervisors. Izolo, we shared this slide. I'll go back to that slide. So one is how easy it is to become a manager, who develop a supervisor. Yeah, this is the slide, Saizon. Kule slide, siyakubonisa exactly ukuthi if you come in, madoda, bomama nabobaba, amanene namanenekazi ngesixhosa ne. Ladies and gentlemen, bontate libomme, if we as a 10cc supervisor 10cc bakithi izolo bengikhuluma ngayo 10cc unga-achieve olu-1 mawuthengisa mawune-customer base ungayenza uyi-1 but angiyi-recommend ukuyenza uyi-1 because you want to get to manager, so build a team. So mani-2 niyenza 5cc, the success factor ekunikeza i-recognition. So the success factor is 4cc angisho, but to recognize you do 5. Mani-2 niyenza 5cc's, uyi-supervisor. If wena ne-downline yakhe nenze 5 uyi-supervisor. So ukuproduce abo-supervisor manje akusasemsebenzi omkhulu mawunabantu abaningi. And then we have people who are serious. We have a big why. Diamond Thembeka uqeda kusitshela manje ngendaba yoku having a big why. That uba successful forever, you need to have a big why, because that's your driver to taking action. Your driver for taking action is to have a big why. So, 10cc, I'm telling you, with technology manje, doing business online, getting customer base online, offline, 10cc is nothing, more serious. Kunabantu who's got 5 people in their team. Really, how can you not become a supervisor with a team of 5 downlines? With 10cc. And it just take 1 person to be a supervisor, and the 10cc I want, or 2 people doing 5. So it's easy to produce 6 supervisors. With 6 supervisors, that's 60K credit. If you say, manje, upusha, serious, I want to become a manager in the next 2 months, I'm not going to sleep until I get my downlines who know what they want, who are serious, who have big dreams and are driven, have a big desire to achieve their dreams and goals. They have this fire in them, a burning fire to live the life of their dreams. And I'm going to show them this opportunity, how it will help them achieve that. You will produce your 6 supervisors. 6 supervisors, that's 60K credit. Your assistant manager automatically. If you repeat the same, the following month is 120, you achieved your manager level near 120. Even if maybe others dropped the following month, you're still on track to achieve manager level near 150 in 4 months. You can never go wrong with 6 supervisor in your team. So building a structure. We know we've been teaching you to work with a structure of 5 key people. So now build with 6 key people, helping them to become supervisors with that 10, become supervisors, that's 60 case credit. And then focus on moving people to levels in your team. Ningasebenzi for the sake of sebenzing bakithi. It pains me. Mangibona abantu base bayayithengela makastokile uthengile makatengile urecruitile makarecruit uyabona ukuthi lana akuna direction, there's no fire. Umuntu akuna direction ukuthi ngiyaphi, akana target, akasebenzi ngetarget, uyayisebenzela okuyenzekile ongayenzekanga kuyenzekanga. If you don't work with a target, this June, this is what I'm gunning for. Either I'm going for my 10, I'm becoming a supervisor, or I'm going for my 60 case credit, or I'm going for 30 so that I can become a manager, assistant manager next month. You need to have a target. Or I'm going for my 60 in order to be manager next month, near the second 60. And I must recruit 5 people. I must recruit 2 people. I must recruit 10 people. If you don't have a target, you are working for the sake of working, I'm telling you, it will be end of June month end June, you'll have achieved nothing, no 4cc, no 5cc, no recruits. You didn't even sell that many products, you didn't make much money. But those that will say, I'm going to focus, I'm going to work closely with my sponsor. But Diamond, we are here to help you, to guide you. So you need to be contacting us with Makunje Babuskodi Sienze Njani. Ngifuna uku-achieve lokho. We said contact us if you funa counseling. Let's sit down with our counseling form. Analyze your business. Utusebenze kanjani last month. What is it that you did well? Where did you lack? What skills? After form, we can tell you, okay, this is the kind of skills that you need. This is what you are doing well. You need to maintain this. But let's work on improving the following. Let's improve here and here and here and see your business will move and you'll achieve your goals. So, but if you don't analyze umsebenzi wako, you don't sit down and reflect and set new goals. Always look back what you did well, what did you not do well, and then set new goals. Every month, sit down, reflect. How did I do? And then what must I improve? If you can do it every week, how did I do? Today's Sunday. You look at what did you do past week, from Monday to Saturday or up to this Sunday. What did you do right? What did you not do right? Plan for the new week starting tomorrow. Your 7-day plan in your First Steps to Manager Manual, page 31. First Steps to Manager Manual talks about that, planning for the week. If you start the week without a plan, you're planning to fail. So you need to plan which demonstrations or presentations you will be doing this week. How many one-on-ones, how many house meetings, how many hall meetings? Which trainings are you going to attend? Which trainings are you going to maybe watch on YouTube? Which book are you going to read or listen to in your car? For self-development, you need to list which activities are you going to do for the week. Who are you going to support this week? Which team members are you going to be supporting this week, helping them with their activities? Very important. Develop leaders, recruit, teach, coach, organize, and lead. Produce leaders. If you're not producing leaders, you're not going to be successful. Also, successful leaders go forever. They have successful leaders under them. If you want to make money, develop successful people who are making money in your team. Do what you want to see your team do. Lead by example. Presentation. I organize a presentation. But others must do it. So let's lead by example. I always tell my leaders, training. Ababone wena usewuthenge itikiti, uba encourage to buy the training ticket, their Millionaires Day ticket, because when I say Tengile already, they can see your name is appearing on the list of people who bought their Millionaires Day ticket. Now we are going to Success Day. People must see you with your Success Day ticket, and then they will buy Success Day ticket. Very, very, very important. And then attend all events, promote events, by way too. Skill number 7, good network marketing skill, promoting events. Take a register, Izolo of Millionaires Day. Check how many people were from your team in that number in the room. Bangaki, who came from a team. Now we are on Zoom training. Check how many are attending this Zoom training from your team, because those are the leaders in your team. Labantu beunabo eroomini izolo Millionaires Day. Those are the leaders that will be successful in your team. Those that are attending this Zoom right now, those are the leaders that will be successful in your team. Those that are not attending, don't bother. They're not going to go far. They might last you maybe for a week or 2 months or 3 months or 12 months, but they're not going to go very further unless they change their mindset and focus on growing. You can't grow if you don't attend trainings. Focus on case credit generating activities. We call them income generating activities. Focus on those. Manually record your case credit mosa manager. Now we have apps, they tell you. Teach your team to report to you. Magase product center ngithengeke ngaka. Akushutele ama picture wama invoices wakhe akutumelele. And you tell them, okay, fine. Now na 6 case credit, ushota nga 4, ukungena kwa supervisor. Asienze so, recruit so, support so and so, buta achieve 5 6 wake. Asienze so and so ama presentation wake. Asienze so and so recruit abantu about 2 or 3 or 5. Kanjalo, so we are coach kanjalo. And you know when they do these activities, they'll generate the remaining CCs angene kwa supervisor or angene kwa assistant manager or angene kwa manager or achieve their incentive that they are going after. 80% of the time spent on prospecting and recruiting. 80%. Mauso builder serious. Spend 80% is cuts up some savings or recruiter. Only 20% on the other activities. Because the other activities, they're only supporting recruiting and growing. If you focus on recruiting and growing, you are going to be super, super successful in this business. Very, very, very important. At least recruit 2 or more people. Very, very important. Do counseling with your sponsor. Sit down to reflect the past month so that you can plan for the new month properly. And then target to improve on areas that you did not do well. Focus on maintaining areas that you did well. And pass down the knowledge that we have to your team so that you can develop as leaders as well. Set goals, set targets. Don't just work for the sake of working. You must know what you are going for this June, what you are going for this week. Tomorrow is Monday. What are your goals for this week? What are your targets that you want to achieve this week? Because that's what will determine if you are going to achieve your monthly goals. Keep records of your activities. You need to have your diary full. An empty diary is equal to empty pocket. A full diary is equal to full pocket because it's the activities that generate your income. So by keeping records, ukuthi ngiyenzama one-on-one awu-2 namuhla, ngiyenzama one-on-one ayi-5, and ngiyenzama one-on-one ayi-10 this week. I did 3 house presentations this week, and then I did 15 house presentation this month. I did 4 big hall meetings this month. Those records, they can tell you, you see, you can be able to check the activities, see the results. Check the activities, see the results. And then Zuxiza planner. If you are recording your activities, you can be able to check your activities, and then compare to the results. They will tell you if your activities are producing the results that you want. If they are not, you are able to sit down with your sponsor and say, look, sponsor, you said we must do one-on-ones. I'm doing one-on-ones. One, this week I did 10. I'm doing whole presentations. I mean, home presentations. One, this week I did 1 or 2. But end of the month, 4 or 8, I'm a house presentation. I've 40 one-on-one presentation, but no one joined. Then we'll see, maybe you are lacking something on the presentation skills. But I know if you are correct on the numbers, people join for their own reason. No more better. As long as you better, some of them end up in the business. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this. We are so fortunate to be in this business. Let's commit to doing this business with everything we have. It's a privilege. It is an honor to be a forever business owner. Because Diamonds, I'm telling you, the benefits that you'll get from this business, the achievement that you'll get from doing this business, I don't think there's any other business that can offer you what Forever has to offer. I'm not sure really if you can get anything anywhere where you can improve your health, make money, help others make money, improve their health. You can drive your dream car. You can travel the world. You can live in your dream home. You can send your kids to the best schools. You can build a financial legacy for your family. You can build many other businesses and diversify your investment portfolio from the business that you have built for forever. So really, Diamonds, we are really blessed and highly favored. We are really blessed. I'm telling you, to be in a business like this, let's take it seriously. Let's do it. Let's commit to doing it seriously. Because if we don't, I'm telling you, you will regret. The beauty about Forever is you will be seeing people succeeding and achieving around you. If you are not doing the right thing, uyogcina ngokubona abantu ba-achieve izinto. Then wena uzogcina ngokuklepa ushaya izandla all the time. So you don't want to be a spectator. Yebo shaya izandla namuhla, mara kusasa kushayelwe wena. Achieve something, now ushayela izandla. So sibonge kakhulu Diamonds for joining tonight's training. If you have any question, you can go ahead, open your mic and ask. If you want to add something, open your mic as well. You can add. You want to ask me questions, you want to add, you're free to do that right now. Welcome. Sisibusi, iPhone, ngathi uwe loyo. Ngikufonile masicala, didn't find you. Masakhuluma ngayizolo. Ibithini yayizolo. If you are able to unga-unmute and now share your experience, ya meeting yayizolo. Or you might want to add something to what we did today, you can as well. Okay. You see, or maybe she's not in a position to unmute. No problem. So, Diamond, thank you so much. I don't let me check the comment section if maybe someone put in a question in there. Can you please, Diamond, bring the precious slides? Ooh, I have no idea which ones are those. Usemeeting, Samsung usemeeting, ulele mic yakho. Siyakuzwa.
Oh, ivulekile.
Ivulekile sikumamele sonke nje.
Sanibonani njani?
Siyaphila.
Siyaphila.
Asibonge.
Hey, I'm happy ukuthi at last nami ngikhonile ungena emeetingini.
Hayi nathi sijabule kakhulu.
Yes, it's unfortunate that ukuthi ngene sekulate okuningi sekungidlulile. I was struggling ukuthi ngene. I tried my best njengoba ngisho ukuthi at last I got it.
At least you got it at last. Sikhuluma nobani because it is Samsung lana. Ayisitsheli ukuthi ubani, isitshele igama lefoni.
Oh, nikhuluma nobusisiwe wakaSkhosana.
Oh.
Umntana
Blessing.
kaboni.
Boni no Blessing.
Yeah,
Yes.
Blessing.
Hawu siyabonga awusebonile
Yeah.
ukuthi iqofozwa kanjani ukuthi ungene ukhona ukungena nakho ungenile.
Eh,
Ngizwile ukuthi bewune
yazi.
meeting i-presentation yakho beyinini?
Last week ihambe kahle kakhulu. Ngizosayina
Ah.
abantu abayi-3 oqala sekayifakile imali ufuna ibox le 10,000.
Wow. Well
Yeah,
done.
always two sayo hasila eLimpopo. Uyabuya next week na kanjani ufuna uzibona phakathi. And uthi ufuna ukuye depot ayozithengela na ibox lakhe.
Ufuna ukuzibonela
Azibambele
indawo
lona.
kumathupha.
Definitely.
Uyangena kwa-supervisor kule nyanga le. U-10cc
Angidlali
kuphela kungena
naye.
Hayi,
Angidlali
number one.
naye.
Akube njalo, akube phusha. Ungayeki qhubeka organizer enye bebanikeze enye idate bakufake ku diary nawe ukuthi iyalandela i-meeting yakho nini.
Yes,
Eh.
we'll definitely do so.
Awesome.
All right.
Siyabonga. Sisibusi
Thank you so much.
bewuvulile. Awesome.
Yebo baba ninjani?
Siyaphila.
Siyaphila baba.
Asibonge.
Angizwanga kahle baba ukuthi ubowuthi ngithini baba?
Ngithi sishode ngawe lekuqaleni besikhuluma ngomeeting wayizolo basiqala.
Oh,
Wena bewungakangeni.
okay.
Manje bengisakhuluma
Oh,
nomzukulu
ukuthi
wakho lana before wena ubusisi sakhuluma ngemeeting yakhe uyangitshela ukuthi omunye usoyifakile nemali ekhombo ngithi hayi nale linye supervisor lethu la ngoJune.
Siyabonga ngiyabonga kakhulu baba ukunginika leli thuba. Siyabonga kakhulu nangosuku la izolo noma nje ke i-team ngobuningi abantu bebengaphumanga baphumelele, special kwi-team yami mina abaningi bebengekho, kodwa ke asithembe ukuthi bazophumelela ngokulandelayo ngoba umuntu into ayenzayo uzenzela yena. Le business mawucabanga ukuthi ulenzela umuntu kufanele wazi ukuthi wenza iphutha ngokuzitshela lokho. Konke okwenzayo uzenzela wena. Mina as a sponsor ngifana ne-sign ebonisayo ukuthi eSprings kungapha. Sekukuweka ukuthi uyakuthatha lokho engikushoyo or uyakuyeka because everyone uyazi ukuthi bekune-training. Uboni-ke naye uye washo ukuthi-ke uya esifeni. So azange kona kungiphathe kahle ukuthi i-team ngobuningi azange iphumelele. Ngifuna ukukhuthaza nje baba ukuthi abantu kumele bazi ukuthi le business ulijoyineleni. Namhlanje besikwi-presentation kaSisfrato for the first time enze presentation ebe umuntu ojoyine last week naye noma abantu bakhanselile abanye ngama-last minute but sibonga kona labo abaphumelelile beza ne-downline-ke kaboni uKhanyi naye bekakhona. Siyabonga kulabo abazidelile beza. Okubalulekile kakhulu ukuthi baba abantu bayenze i-4cc bayenze i-forever isikhathi sisasekhona ngoba ngelinye ilanga uzodlula emhlabeni abantwana bakho bayosala bangabhenefiti kulo forever. Kanti uforever uyikhampani ehlukile kwamanye amakhampani, ikhampani ezosiza abantwana bethu in future. But sekuzoba kumuntu-ke yena ukuthi ufuna bakhe abantwana in future basale nani. Abantu ake bazi ukuthi ibhizinisi leli bazijoyinele bona, awujoyinelanga isponsor ngoba ngelinye ilanga uzoba yi-leader nawe ube nabantwana obajoyinisile ngaphansi kwakho bangakumameli njengoba nawe usuke ungamameli bese udinga ukuthi i-upline or sponsor ikusize kuleso simo leso kodwa ukhohle ukuthi kwawena bewungamameli. I-training yayizolo siyabonga kakhulu beyiyinhle, sabona nabantu abaphumelelile abasebenzile, ama-supervisor angenile maningi ngendlela emakazayo.
Wow, we were ngaphi izolo recognize in almost 10 or so or more than 10 izolo.
Yes baba, ama-supervisor arecogniziwe bewamaningi kakhulu, ama-gift ngiyacabanga ukuthi babonile ey'thombeni ukuthi ama-gift bewamaningi kanjani ukukhuthaza and abantu baphume beshisa laphaya bafuna ukugijima bayosebenza because babonile ukuthi i-forever iyenzeka. Mangabe kukhona abantu abakwazi ukungena ngenyanga eyodwa ka-supervisor, assistant manager naka-manager, nawe ungenza okungaphezu kwaloko. I-commitment kuphela eyenza umuntu azimisele azibone ukuthi ufuna ukuyaphi. Yingakho ngithi ilanga nelanga kube khona into oyenzayo. It's either wenzi one-on-one or organize presentation, but each and every day iba nento entsha oyenzayo kwibhizinisi lakho. Ngokusho lokho ke baba, ngiyabonga ukuthola leli thuba.
Bonge kakhulu sibongile noRato naye uye wakhuluma bewungakabi bikho but bekakhuluma ngendaba yayizolo akufundile izolo ku-training. So siyabonga kakhulu manje ukuthi nenze meeting i-presentation yakhe namuhla. Great job. Nobusisiwe naye uSikhosana naye basasihlepulela kancane ukuthi yakhe ihambe kanjani last week i-presentation. No, but as long as bayenza ama-presentation I'm happy. Ngathi le nani lama-downline ayenza ama-presentation ngakhula. Ucheck inani labo supervisor lizokhula. Very soon makhula ama-supervisor wazi ama-manager ayalandela. That's what impresses me. The more presentations, the more supervisors we'll have. The more supervisors we have, the more later managers we will have. That's the beauty about this business. It's the thing you build up on top of another. Presentation, your agency product, your recruiter, your developer, the host in terms of becoming a leader. And then those that become leaders, they've definitely become supervisors. From supervisor, they will produce supervisors and become managers. And from there, they will know how to develop managers. So siyabonga kakhulu. I don't know if we have anyone on the mbuzo, anyone ofuna uku-add before we call it a night. Samsung, you can go ahead, or Sisiwe, you can go ahead.
Oh yeah, Babu Scott, ngine challenge yange 21. Many people, those who were supposed to go with me last month, they are promising, they are so serious to go there. And imagine the transport, I don't know what is saying. I'm worried.
Organize as a team, organize the transport enkudlwana, ni beka i-price yokuthi i-price izoba malini, then baqala ukuyikhipha manje imali transport. Yabona? Uboni unoku-organize ikhumbi, I think unoku-organize transport. I believe mani ngakhuluma naye u-upline wenu in time. Nani nikhiphe imali on time, nimnikeze ukuthi nayo imali ye-transport. Niyenzela ukuthi whether abanye bayaphula out ngama last minute or not, mara imali ye-transport ihlangene, yabona? And yabona? Ademketezeli imali ngakuye already, nayo khona ukubhadala i-transport, angabi ne-stress sokuthi abantu baphule out, uye manje kumele abhadale from i-pocket lakhe, yabona?
All right, Baba. All right.
Asikhulumeni manje siqala uku-organizer, siqala uku-collector imali i-transport manje, then nikezani uboni organize i-transport imali yakhona nayo. Then naye akana-stress ukukhuluma aphethe imali.
Okay, Baba.
Perfect.
No, ngiyabonga kuzwakele kakhulu. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
All right, Baba.
Awesome. Siyabonga kakhulu Diamonds, good evening lile viki sebenzeni ama 7-day plan wethu jimeni sivale iviki lethu kahle iJune iqala early pusha achieve something become a supervisor tholi excuse yoku recognize nge 19 nawe success day achieve something so that you can walk across that stage on the 19th and get to be recognized by the president himself. He will be here. So siyabonga kakhulu, and congratulations to everyone who attended yesterday and everyone who managed to attend the Zoom training tonight. Well done, Diamonds, and have a super successful week ahead.
Good night.
Night,
Thank you
night.
so much.
Awesome.